Hi everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and I'm coming to you today with these color charts. I call them color charts. They're called color, I can't remember. I'll make sure to put it in the description. But they're like a little chart, and what it is Stampin' Up! Lets you download these for free off their website. And I have added the link over on my blog so you can download these and print them for yourself. I've never used them in the past, so I've never really, what do you want to say, thought of them or anything. But lately, with the new color transformation and revamp that they've done, I've needed them because I'm like, oh, they got these new colors, and now I'm like, what color goes good with that? And I sit here with the blank stare for a little bit. So I've really been needing to use these more. And so I've just decided here to print them all. Before, I would just print the one little on a carbon copy until I got used to the new in colors and knew what went with what. And then I would just, you know, after a while, I would just let it go. But now I've decided to print them all since we have some new core in colors. So you print them. They come 5 to a sheet, and they're 10 sheets. And I just use some cardstock off-brand from like Walmart or wherever that you want to get some cardstock. And I just printed them. That went through my printer, and I printed them off. And the cool thing is, like, this says Poppy Parade. They used to do it by families. It used to say like the Bright family, and they used to have it by family. Now they do it by color, so which I like better. I like this better. So it says Poppy Parade, and then it gives you 3 different options. So it would say Poppy Parade goes good with Petal Pink and Crumb Cake. And then it says Poppy Parade goes with Lemon Lolly and Lemon Lime Twist. And then Poppy Parade goes with Crushed Curry and Coastal Cabana. And then it tells you right down here on the bottom that it belongs in the Brights family. So it's in the Brights family. When you're looking in the catalog, if you wanted to find this color, anything would be in the Brights family. So that's really cool. I really like the way they've laid this out. The only thing that they've done different is they used to give us little just blank ones. So if you had a color that you made of your own that you like, then they used to have that. So what I'm going to do is I am going to have it so I can put it on the back. And how I would do that is I would use sponge daubers, because they're just little round daubs just like these, and I would dip it in the, like say I'm doing Poppy Parade, dip it in the Poppy Parade, then the 2 colors that I use that go with it that I created on my own, and I would do it on the back if it's specific for the Poppy Parade, or in every one of the papers that you cut, there's this one blank piece. I don't know why they did that. They only put 5 on a page. But anyways, there's this one blank piece, and you could use these also, so you could keep them in the back. I'm going to punch a hole in the corner of each one of these, and then I am going to add them to this little ring, and then I'm just going to hang it here in my craft room right near my work area so that I can use it every single time I need to make a card right now until I get used to these new core colors. Because one of the ones, like here's Pebble Path. It's one of the new core colors. This is an in color, but it's telling me all the different colors that will go with it. So I'm really thankful for that. There's the Fresh Fizza, and I think how I'm going to put them is I am going to put them by family. So like this says this is in the suitables, so I'm going to have like all the suitables in a stack on my ring together, because that's how I would know, okay, that's a suitable one, so I know where to look for it. So that's what I'm going to do with mine. And yeah, I hope this helps you out. I know a few of the other demonstrators around have been I've seen them a little bit more sharing, and I'm wondering if that's because of the new core color, and a lot of people are starting to come out with new things. And every year they do make up a new one of like the in colors. So like next year you get 5 more, and that may be why they only do 5 on a page, because next year you'll only get 5 more, because there'll be 5 in colors. This year there's so many because they redid the whole, they amped it up and added new colors and stuff and took some away. So I hope this helps. I really think this is a tool that you should add to your craft room. And if you'd like to download this, the link to my blog is in the description box below. You can go to my blog and you can click on the link, and it'll take you to the page that you have to download this on. So yeah, so I hope that helps. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Bye-bye.